This is Stirling bus stop, or the old Stirling bus stop, but now they've turned it into a camper van bay. It's free parking through the evenings, and through the day you're £6 for 24 hours, and the weekends are free. You get a little wee bay to yourself, and as you can see, it's very well used. Here's our pitch for the night. Again, I'll leave the 3 words, but it's fine, peaceful. Carol had a really good sleep because she was snoring like a bastard until 10:30 this morning.
It's the 24th of July at 10:20, and we are leaving the Forthside Old Bus Station in Stirling. We've been parked up for a couple of nights. We discovered that down at the end of this road there's the Peak Leisure Centre, so it has an ice rink, it has a swimming pool, various things like that. So last night we went for a swim, got showered, it was great. It's 7 weeks now since we've been homeless, still no sign of anything on the market, but we're not losing hope just yet. And I've no idea where we're off to today. Hopefully it's a clothing shop because I'm running out of clothes. But yeah, that's where we're at just now. You can see the Ochil Hills over there, they're absolutely beautiful. In fact, Stirling is a very beautiful place, it's very vibrant. Cafe culture is big, things like that, so when you're out walking around there's plenty of places to stop, have something to drink, have something to eat. It has got a great vibe, kind of the vibe that Aberdeen has lost in a lot of ways, and you can see from the street markings that they're also very encouraging of cycling. So a wee bit like Inverness, it's got that kind of outdoorsy, positive exercise vibe. Where obviously the council is encouraging, putting in an infrastructure that encourages people to look after their physical health, which leads to good mental health. Up on the left here, that's the place that we went to. Super facility, it actually had 3 pools, a main pool, a confidence pool and a toddler pool, all in the same area. And there is the football ground as well, Fourth Bank of Stirling Albion, I think. But yeah, everybody here seems to be out walking, probably because they've got a large student community as well. There's a big emphasis on health and well-being. So I actually can't tell you where we're off to today because I've kind of forgotten if I was ever told. So BRB.